So I'll be showing you what to do when you can't see the fingerprint icon on the always on display of your Galaxy S25. So you might be looking for the fingerprint icon and you can't find it and you don't really know where to touch. So to show it on the always on display, even though it's already enabled, simply go to settings. Under settings, scroll down to security and privacy, tap on that, and then go to lock screen, tap on that. It's going to ask for your password, PIN, or pattern. Just provide it, and that's going to open the lock screen and biometric settings page. So tap on fingerprint, and that opens the fingerprint page, and you should see show icon when screen is off. Tap on that, and then choose on always on display. Okay, so now you'll always see the fingerprint icon on the always on display, and you know exactly where to touch to unlock your phone. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.